right, guys, so I just got this BLATOMIC air fryer. Boom. It came in a super big box, but I love this already. So it comes with the main unit, the main fryer unit, and then it has two different size bowls to go with it. So it has this larger one, comes with handles, so it's easy to maneuver around, and it has this smaller one as well. So and I also like that it is clear glass so you can see the contents on the inside. All right, it also has these crisper plates right here. So if you want things to get really crispy on the top and the bottom, you will add these plates inside and you just put it at the bottom. Like if you have fried chicken, then you put it on top of the actual plates itself. And it also comes with these tops right here. And you add these tops after whatever you finish is done, and it just preserves it for a little bit longer, and it prevents dust and stuff like that from getting inside of it. So that's pretty cool. This is also heat resistant, so great. Now, this is the main unit. Obviously, you press start. You could choose your bowl size. You could look. It'll display your temperature and time, and you can go up or down using the plus and minus button. But then it has your different modes. So let's go through the different modes. So you have your roast mode, which is, I'm looking at it right now. You have your roast mode, which is 15 to 20 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, and then you have your air fry mode, which is 12 to 15 minutes at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And then you have your frozen or defrost mode, I guess, which is 9 to 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And then you have your bake mode. And that's cool. I haven't seen too many air fryers with actual bake mode, so that's pretty dope. But that's 12 to 16 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you got your reheat mode. That's basically if you don't feel like using your microwave, you want to reheat something. That's 4 to 6 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. And then you got your dehydrate mode, which is 2 to 6 hours at 150 degrees Fahrenheit. And dehydrating, if you want to make like apple chips or strawberry chips or things like that, you can dehydrate it and get all the water out. So that's also very cool and something that you don't find. It comes with the charger already. You just plug this up into a wall to get it going, and yeah, it has all the instructions right here as well. So easy read, so it's easy to maneuver. It's easy to put together. I'm gonna show you how it looks once you put it together. Nice and simple. Guys, I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10. Just so easy. It comes with all the components that you need. Instructions are super clear, and it's just, you know, it works for if you have a family or if you're single. You know, and it has all these different modes, and it pretty much replaces a lot of the things that you probably use in your house. Like if you use a microwave, they got the reheat mode. If you know, your oven, you can pretty much substitute that like with this machine right here. So I love it. So again, guys, giving it a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. All right, peace out.